Let's see how to set up a Ring Video Doorbell camera. You just need to grab your camera and the accessories, charge the camera. To charge it, in here, there's this Torx screwdriver to remove the screw here because you need to read the QR code during the setup, all right? Then you just come here to the App Store. If you don't have the app yet, look for Ring Always Home. Install it and create your account. I have already here, so I just need to hit open. And here you see that I have some cameras. This one is offline, and I just need to add a new one by coming here to the left side and selecting devices. From here, I just hit setup device, and it's necessary to read the QR code using the cell phone. So you just need to open the camera to read the QR code that's here. So just use the Torx screwdriver to remove the two screws here. Remember, a regular screwdriver is not gonna work. So if you lost the Ring screwdriver, just need to get a new one. It's a Torx screwdriver, okay? There we go. Just need to open here. So remove this back part, and here's the QR code. Just put it here. There we go. Now you just need to select the address that you want to install the camera. I see that I have the main address here. And let's say I want to install in a new location, a new apartment. So I'm going to select this daughter's apartment and hit continue. And here I will name the camera. Let me just custom name the camera here. Let's just put here like a new Ring. You can give any name that you want. Hit here continue. Charge the doorbell. Already did that before. You see, I just need to connect the cable and connect to the power outlet. So hit continue. Here, just pay attention to the screws that I'm gonna use, right? There's a screw to close the camera and a different one here for the plate. Don't confuse them. Just hit got it. And I read the issues about this one already. Remove the protected film. In here, I have the password to connect to the Wi-Fi, basically your router's Wi-Fi. In here, I just need to skip this if I don't want to set up right now. And I'm near to the device. And you just need to make sure that the light is spinning here. You see, if I don't have any light spinning, I just need to come here and press and hold this orange button, right? And after some time, let's say 10 seconds, I'm gonna see the light spinning here, right?
It's setup mode.
I just hit here.
Now connected to the Ring app.
There we go. Now I can just select my Wi-Fi. In this case, I have some of them, and I can select this one and enter the password. Hit continue. There we go. The camera is connecting to the Wi-Fi, and it's done. Basically working here. Let me just put the camera here. You see that I got a motion already, and I just hit continue. And here's some instructions for the installation. You can just connect the chime. Let me just skip this for now. Skip this as well. You can optimize your camera, and I'm done. Okay. There are some setups that you can do it later. I just skipped some of them. And here I can just tap the camera and go live. Subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.